Hi guys, one of the most beautiful thing which I like about the corporate world is the travel. Yeah, so I was going to board the plane, so this thought came into mind. I don't know about you, but I love to travel. And yeah, sometimes you have to travel for work. Fine. It's the myth that we have created in India that nahi, traveling matlab are nahi jana padega, ye karna padega. But look at the perks you get, yaar. You get to travel, all TAD included. I take traveling as a fun activity rather than taking it as कि मजबूरी की तरह जाना पड़ेगा. देखो भाई जाना तो है ही. So rather than thinking in a negative way, take in a positive way. In 2011, 12, 13, I have spent almost 200 nights in the hotel room, spent more nights in the hotel room than in my own house. So as a part of consulting, I have to travel, but I made it look like a hobby, or I made it convert into a hobby. So let's work hard today so that tomorrow you can enjoy traveling, all paid for by the company. घर से निकलने से लेकर door to door, everything, wherever you go, whichever mean you transfer by, you travel by, and whatever you eat, everything is paid by the company. Fine. So let's work hard today so that one day we can enjoy the travel and accumulate as much miles as possible. All the best.